we got. So we dig out the engine from the whatever it was stored for last 5 years since the car was stripped. There's a little bit of dirt on it. I think we're just going to use the bit of compressed air to blast the dust off. strip the engine. It's not too bad overall. You can see a little bit of the sludgy crap here, but it's nothing. Yeah, it wasn't probably touched for like 30-40 years, I don't know, so it's not too bad. I'm gonna clean them up, take out the pistons, and assess if the liners could be reused, and if the pistons could be reused, or I'll be looking for the new ones, or good second-hand ones. The cylinder head doesn't look too bad. One of the valves, you can see, was getting more heat than other ones, which I assume was because it's not sitting properly. You know, the seat is burned or something like that. So when the combustion happens, the gases go all around the valve, which causes them to heat up more. Now the rocker cover, everything is actually reasonably clean. There's a good bit of a sludge in the sump, but it's nothing major. Now the chain. Tensioner chain worn. Yeah. The lip, not bad. Not bad at all. The pistons, they look alright. The valves. We have the engine stripped. Lovely. That's the liners. A little bit of corrosion and stuff and things. Crankshaft. Doesn't look not the greatest, but you see, I'll measure it and see if it could be. There's no deep grooves, so I see if that could be polished out. So the main bearings. Don't look too bad. There's a obvious bit of wear on it, but nothing major. There's a nasty scar here though. It's fine, we'll be getting new ones anyway. Yeah, but they're not too bad for the age. The gunk will come out, so I'll clean out. The mating surface is good. The sealing surface is good. The liner itself, inside, a little bit of honing will be perfect. Now, yeah, this one, you can see this piston got a bit hot and I think it's corresponding with this this valve. I think that's the one which came out from there, but there's no deep grooves, and so a little bit of hone would sort it out. There's no leap whatsoever here, which is amazing. Pistons could be reused. Now the most interesting part is the oil ring. You can see it's made of one piece, but look, you can see it. See? There's no spring inside. It's just made of metal, not cast or something like that, which is quite interesting. Now, see how clean the engine was running. There's no build-up of carbon or anything like that on the pistons, which is quite amazing. Piston heads, everything. This engine ran on LPG. See, the exhaust valves have no seal on it. There is no valve seals on any of them. That's interesting. I didn't expect that. Piston like that. Isn't that just handy? So that's the pistons cleaned as much as they could be cleaned, and yeah, the marks, yeah, they just smoothed out. You cannot really feel them under the thumb. So that I have to do. Very important thing is to clean out the grooves and check if they are not worn, because sometimes the piston rings, they wear the grooves. So when you assemble the pump, the oil pump. Use a tiny bit of grease, just so when we start up, it could create the vacuum to suck in the oil. So the lid, the strips of fine sandpaper, and the WD-40, just a little bit of polishing crankshaft. This is how it's done. The big ends, the main caps, torqued to the proper spec. It all moves freely as it should. Now time for the cylinder head.